everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some old-fashioned potato candy. I remember you used to have this as a kid. There's a guy at church that used to make it, and it was always so good. And I remember having it as a kid, and I was like, how in the world do you get potato into candy form? Because all I ever knew was french fries, mashed potato, or baked potato. So it was always so fascinating to me. But then once I did the recipe and did some study on it, when you put 2 cups of powdered sugar and more into something, I think you can make candy out of anything. But I'll put the list of ingredients down below so you can see what I'll put in it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. It's just basically mix and then roll and then slice it. And that's about it really to it. But I'll have everything down below so you can see how it's done. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.